Antisocial and criminal behaviour is a major concern for residents and a considerable drain on police and council resources. Reporter Nick Thatcher explains how Secured by Design, the National Police Crime Prevention Initiative, is bringing together the police, developers and local authority planners at the planning stage to use proven crime prevention techniques to design out crime.
Elephant Park in central London is one of the UK's largest regeneration projects. The developer Lend-Lease is building 3,000 new homes here, together with shops, streets, parks and public spaces, all of which have been planned and constructed to include crime prevention measures from Secured by Design, the National Police Initiative to improve the environment for people to live in and to set standards for physical security.
We worked on the project from the very beginning.
Lynn Poole is a dedicated Secured by Design Met police officer, and she showed me how this part of London is being transformed.
Lynn, it's very different to how it used to look.
Yeah, it definitely is. The landscaping is a lot better now. It's got clear sight lines through. The lighting as well, it's so much brighter at night, and you've got the passive surveillance. Everyone can look out from their lounge windows and look down and see what's going on in the street, and there's no recesses, nowhere for the criminals to hide. And it's not just the external environment we're talking about, it's also the physical security of the building, which is the Secured by Design police preferred specification for the door sets and window sets. Because of the way they're manufactured, they're safer, they're more secure, and so they last longer.
Getting Secured by Design involved from the onset has been critical to the success of Elephant Park, ensuring that the master plan layouts are inherently safe and will provide great secure streets and public spaces as well as homes for our customers. Having those officers involved with the design teams from those early stages avoided abortive work, ensured we reduced our costs, and more importantly it will leave a legacy of a place which is truly safe for the years to come.
But it's not just developers that recognise the benefits of Secured by Design principles.
Eva, just need to have a look at these plans that we reviewed yesterday.
Here at Epping Forest District Council, the community safety team works alongside local police officers in the same office to jointly consider how planning applications for new developments can achieve Secured by Design standards of security.
In my view, the collaboration in relation to Secured by Design is a no-brainer. It has been shown to produce significant reductions in crime, and we're talking about building safe and secure communities going forward. It will also help reduce the cost to the public purse on investigating crime, disorder and antisocial behaviour if we get things right at the design stage.
What's more, independent academic research of Secured by Design has found that SBD new build properties are up to 75% less likely to experience a burglary than comparable non-SBD properties. And refurbishments are up to 63% less likely to be burgled.
Here at Epping Forest, we're encouraging as many developers as possible to adopt Secured by Design. Why wouldn't you harness the expertise of specialist police officers, planning officers, working with our community safety officers, with the developers and their architects to design out crime right at the beginning, which will bring longer term benefits to the community and for the residents who live in those properties.
And it's not just residential new build like this that Secured by Design provides guidance for. It also deals with everything from refurbishments to commercial properties, schools to hospitals, even big sporting venues, right across the UK.
SBD is self-funded and does not receive public funding. So clearly, at a time of shrinking budgets, it makes sense for police forces and local authorities to work together to keep their communities safe.
We know we're policing in times of austerity. We know that if we can prevent crime from happening in the first instance, it frees up capacity. If through Secured by Design we can prevent this stuff happening, then why wouldn't we do it? And that's why it's so important that we do have that network of trained and dedicated people who can do this job well.
The principles and guidance from Secured by Design can support local authorities to build better places to live and work, as well as help people to feel safer. A definite win-win in the fight against crime.